Did you know you could buy these 7 things with your food stamps card? Hi, I'm Nicole from lowincomerelief.com, where we help millions of Americans save money and get free stuff. Today I want to talk to you about 7 surprising things you can buy with your food stamps card. For the duration of this video, I will only be talking about using your food stamps funds. We're not going to be talking about cash benefits or anything else, just food stamps. Everything we talk about today is going to be completely legal and completely legitimate. We fact-checked all of it because we want to make sure that we're always bringing you accurate information. So, let's get started. First up on the list, fast food. I know many people with food stamps already know that you can take your card into your local Papa Murphy's and pick up a take and bake pizza. That's pretty common. But what you may not know is that in some areas, you may be able to stop at places like McDonald's, Subway, and Taco Bell and get food there too. This program is not available in all areas or to all people. The Restaurant Meals Program is specifically designed to serve seniors, the homeless, and disabled people who are unable to make their own meals at home. This program is part of the federal food stamps law. However, it's not available on a federal level. Each state is given the right to decide whether or not they want to participate, and understandably, many states don't. Even in the states that do participate, individual counties can decide whether or not they're going to offer this program. So it gets really complicated really fast. You can see a full list of participating states, counties, and even restaurants at lowincomerelief.com/RMP. Number 2, live lobster and shellfish. Just because you can do something does not necessarily mean that you should do it. You can buy live lobster and shellfish with your food stamps card, but I really don't think it's a good idea for a couple of reasons. First of all, it's insanely expensive. And if you're using food stamps to feed your family, it's not going to go very far if you're buying stuff like that. Number 2, it's seafood, and seafood is gross. So I don't think anybody should buy lobster or shellfish, honestly. Okay, but if you were so inclined, if you really wanted to do that, it is possible to buy live lobster and shellfish with your food stamps card. Number 3, energy drinks. Now, there's a lot of people out there who will tell you that you can buy energy drinks with your food stamps card, and there are a lot of people out there who will tell you that you can't. They're both technically right. It depends on what kind of brand you like, because we have 2 different kinds of energy drinks in America. We have some that are classified as food items, and those have a nutrition facts label. We also have some that are classified as supplements, and those have a supplement facts label. Now, obviously, you can't buy vitamins and supplements with your food stamps card, so you're not going to be able to buy those energy drink brands with your food stamps card. But you can buy the ones with the nutrition facts label. So Red Bull fans, you're in luck. Number 4, birthday cakes. If you want to buy your kid a special birthday cake at the bakery, you can probably do that with your food stamps card. The law says that it is allowable as long as at least half the value of the cake is in the edible part and not the decorations. So if you're getting a modestly decorated sheet cake for a birthday, you're probably good to go. But if you're looking for a fancier cake for like a wedding, that's probably not going to run on your food stamps card. But you can buy modestly decorated cakes from the bakery on food stamps. Number 5, gift baskets. Just like with birthday cakes, you can buy gift baskets on food stamps as long as at least half the value of the item is edible. That means you can buy Easter baskets full of candy, but not Easter baskets full of toys. At Valentine's Day, you can buy a little bear with a big box of chocolates, but not a big bear with a little box of chocolates. And of course, at Christmas time, if you're so inclined, you can buy those super nasty tins of popcorn, because allegedly that's edible too. So, again, you can buy gift baskets on your food stamps card as long as at least half of the purchase value is the edible portion. Number 6, seeds and live plants. This is definitely my favorite thing that you can buy with food stamps. You can go and you can buy seeds, live plants, even fruit trees with your food stamps card. You can't buy the things that you need to grow those things, like soil or pots or anything like that, but you can get the actual plant itself on your food stamps card. Now, the downside to this is that many retailers are not aware of this aspect of the law. We've had a lot of readers come back to the website and explain that their local retailer didn't know that this was legal and gave them some trouble about it. So for clarification, I took it to the USDA and I got this email in response. The Food and Nutrition Act of 2008 states that SNAP households may use SNAP benefits to purchase seeds and plants which produce food for consumption. Eligible seeds and plants include vegetable seeds and plants that produce food, such as tomato and green pepper plants. Other eligible items include fruit trees, food-producing roots, bushes, and bulbs, such as asparagus roots and berry bushes. Seeds and plants that produce cooking spices are also eligible for purchase with SNAP benefits. Accordingly, some herb plants produce for consumption and are eligible for purchase with SNAP benefits, while others do not produce food for consumption and are not eligible for purchase with SNAP benefits. Each herb plant sold at the market will have to be weighed under this factor to determine SNAP eligibility. For example, most mint, spearmint, cilantro, basil, sage, and oregano plants produce food for consumption and are eligible for purchase with SNAP benefits. However, some varieties of sage plants are purely ornamental, do not produce food for consumption, and are thus ineligible for purchase with SNAP benefits. It should also be noted that any plant or seed purchased with SNAP benefits should be purchased to grow food for the SNAP household and not for commercial use. One of my very favorite things about running Low Income Relief is being able to see the difference that our website makes in others' lives. So I'd like to share with you some of the messages and the pictures that I've received from our readers who have tried this and had great success with it. Amber from Muscle Shoals, Alabama said, I came across your page on Facebook and have been reading all the articles. One I ran across was things you didn't know you could use with your EBT card. I found out you could buy seeds to plant for a garden, so that's what I did. Here's a photo. Coral from Denton, Maryland said, Low Income Relief has helped my family and I in more ways than one. I have learned so much from Low Income Relief about all the benefits of having an EBT card. One of my favorite benefits of having an EBT card is that I can buy fresh produce and seeds, and with just a few cents and some hard work and patience, I now have a beautiful garden that consists of grapes, tomatoes, corn, squash, cucumber, pears, and a lot of other fresh fruits and vegetables. My garden supplies more than enough for my family and I, so with all the extra food I grew, I donate it to other families in need. I think those are fantastic, but if you're like me and you don't have a green thumb and you can't grow anything to save your life, probably not a good idea to spend your food stamps on seeds and plants. You can, however, take those benefits to your local farmer's market. Many of them have dollar matching programs, so if you'll spend $20 on your card, they'll send you home with $40 in produce. It's a great way to buy affordable, healthy food for your family. Number 7, hunting and fishing equipment. If you live in rural Alaska, you may be able to use your food stamps funds to buy knives, fishing nets, and even harpoons so that you can hunt and fish to sustain your family year-round. The government has authorized this because they know that grocery stores aren't exactly common in the rural parts of Alaska. Other states have also recognized that hunting and fishing is a great way for a family to stretch their grocery budget. So there are many states that will let you get a free hunting or fishing license if you qualify based on income for food stamps. For more information about that, you're welcome to visit our website at lowincomerelief.com/EBT. Well, that's it. Those are the 7 most surprising things I found that you can buy with food stamps. If you do get food stamps, I encourage you to visit our website at lowincomerelief.com/EBT to find out how you may qualify for $5 internet, free museum admission, and so much more. At Low Income Relief, we help millions of low-income Americans save money and get free stuff. Some of our most popular articles include how to get $5 internet, how to get free home repair grants, and how to get free and low-cost veterinary care for your pets. We also have an extensive list of over 400 freebies and deals you can get with a food stamps card. For more information, visit us online at lowincomerelief.com.